Hi everybody, this is Paul at ExpressPOD and this is a video showing you how to push a product to Etsy. So after you've connected your Etsy store, if you come through into your product section, select the product you want to push, and I'm going to push this one through. Click add to the three dots and add to store, then select your Etsy store. You can have multiple Etsy stores from one app if you would like. Click on demo store, then we're going to click next. When it comes to the images, you can reorganize your images here for the order that they get pushed through to Etsy, and you can uncheck those you don't want. Click next. This is where you can change your title and add your tags and description. Lots of people want a different title for Etsy than what they use in their Shopify store, so this allows you to change that. You can add the tags here if you want to, or you can wait until you get through to Etsy and add them there. A lot of people like to do that when they're fine-tuning the products in Etsy. Just remember, don't put any special characters in the title because Etsy will reject it if you do that. They'll not let you push it through. So just keep your titles nice and simple. Once you've done that, click next. And this is where you add the personalization for Etsy. They've just updated their system now, so it's a lot better to use. This is where you can add the questions for the customer. So we're going to add a question, and it's going to be for text, and the label's going to be enter your text. Instructions will be enter up to 35 characters. You can obviously change whatever instructions you want to give them, and this 35 obviously changes on the length of your personalization field. Maximum characters, obviously 35. We'll leave the required button ticked, that way they can't order it and not give you any text. We'll click next. This is the collection. It's going to go in. I've created a collection already called Mum, so you'll just select that. If your collection's not there, you can type it in here and click add, and it'll add one. Click next. What category is it going in? This will probably be necklaces. So if we look for that, we've got necklaces. Click next. In order to push your product through to Etsy, you've got to have a shipping profile, which you can select from here. So if you don't have one, it won't let you put it through. I've just created a simple free shipping one on Etsy, which then shows up here. So I'll select the free shipping. The next one is production partners. If you list us as a production partner, you need to add us into your Etsy store settings. Some people do, some people don't. We'll click next. When we get to here, this is the pricing. This is what it's going to cost you. That's plus VAT and obviously any shipping charges. And that's the price that you're going to sell it at. You can obviously change this price, increase it, decrease it, whatever you need to do. Once you've done that, you quite simply click add to the store, and that will push the product through into your Etsy store, and it will come through as a draft listing. Once it's come across, which only takes a minute, I'll then take you through to Etsy and show you what it looks like and any other settings you can add in there. So when you come into your Etsy store, you can see the product that it's pushed across, and you can see that it's set in draft mode here. So if you click on the product to edit it, and as you scroll down, you can see you've got your title, etc. You've got your pricing. You can still change your pricing on here. The quantity automatically sets to 999, as we're always in stock. You can see here that you've got your custom option, which is enter your text and up to 35 characters. If you've missed any fields, you can also add them in here manually if you don't want to re-push it. This section here, you can add more tags. You can add them, change them, delete them, whatever you need to do. And then you've got other sections here which we don't touch, about the gold and everything. You know, you can add these if you want to do, gold plated, etc. As you move all the way down, you've got your pricing, and again you can edit there. And then you've got your processing profile. That one's at 3 to 5 days, but we only take a couple of days, so you can create a new one if you wish, and set that as your default. And we take 2 days to process orders, so that will make a difference. So I would create a new one if I was you, saying 1 to 2 days. That shows it faster. And then you can just click publish with the changes. And if we preview this, you can see what that will look like. And there you can see this is your text box. These are all your images and your description. So that one's ready now for you to publish and start taking orders. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.